everyone, welcome to your sweaty abs workout. This is going to be a high-paced, cardio-inspired abs workout. So lots of cardio moves. There is jumping in this workout, so if you want to do the no jumping cardio one, I'll link that down below. It's a little bit more knee-friendly, but this is really going to get your heart rate up and burn those calories so we can snatch the waist. So starting with high knees to just like warm us up, and we're going for 40 seconds on and 20 seconds to catch our breath because we're going to need it. So hands up, let's go. Bring those knees up, 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 up. Don't like slack off on this, okay? So there's nobody to impress. This is just you versus you, and you want to be honest with yourself. You came out here today to work to get that heart rate pumping and get those abs popping. Knees up, let's go, let's go. Be quick with it. And we got 20 seconds to catch our breath, so give these 40 seconds all you have got. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, my hair came loose. Okay, next we've got a squat to a knee up. Hello, what's happening here? Oh my God, why does the rest time go so much faster than the workout time? So we're doing a squat and bringing that knee up like this. Squat, up. Opposite elbow to opposite knee, kind of like a standing crunch. Let's go. Whew. Whew. Up. Up. Let's go. Pick up the pace here. It's like a kind of like a HIIT-ish workout, but really focused on abs. All right, now we're getting down to plank runners. So you can do kind of like a mountain climber, which is more slow paced, like this, or you can put a run into it, which is what I recommend you do. So, ready? Remember to keep your back straight, abs engaged, and let's go, let's do it. Just breathe, focus on the music, and put a run into it. Come on. Whew. Don't forget to focus on your breath. You're already halfway through. Don't give up on me. Come on. Just when you think you can keep going, try to go a little bit faster. Come on, let's go. I felt like giving up just now, but I'm still here. Oh my God, whose idea was it to put those in this workout? Now we're got plank twist. So letting our heart rate come down just a bit, but still working the abs. So for the plank twist, I want you on your elbows here. Back is straight. Don't make sure your butt is not up like this. So keep it down. We're gonna twist one side, switch, switch, switch. Let's go. Okay, let's go. You got this. Come back up. Okay, catch your breath because next we are doing burpees. Next we are doing burpees. I don't want to say it out loud because I don't want you guys to get scared, but we're doing burpees. So you don't have to do a push-up for this. You could just jump out into a plank. We'll fight this plank. Let's go. Up. Burpee time. Come on. You got this. Oh my God, I feel like my butt is out. That's okay. Let's go. I'll go this way. Woo! Come on. Let's go. And since I did burpees, next we are still gonna do quite like a burpee variation, burpee to a plank runner. So up burpee, down to a 1, 2, 3, 4, up. But you're gonna do it standing, okay? So come down, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, stand. Let's go. 2, 3. Up, stand, let's go. Up. Up. Almost there. Okay, catch your breath. Up next, we've got a punch twist. Okay, so what we're gonna do is twisting your body, standing side to side. We're punching side to side, really making sure the movement comes from here. Let's target our abs as well. Ready? Let's go. Punch, punch. Let's go. Really twist into it. Let's go. You got this. Come on. Twist, twist, twist. You got this. Strong arms. Almost done. Okay, going to continue with our twisting motion, doing a squat to a hip twist. So you're gonna squat here, come up to your tippy toes, twist, but we're adding a hop into it. So down, twist, down, twist, okay? You're gonna feel this one in your abs and your legs as well. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Twist, twist, ooh, just a little burp. Twist, really pop that hip. Come on. Halfway through. Oh my God. Twist and down. All right, now we're gonna get down to do a little bit more ab focus. Only 4 minutes left in the whole workout, so you're doing great. We're hanging in there. We're doing an alternating leg raise. So you can put your hands under your hips here, legs up. You're gonna lower one and switch. Down and switch. Let's go. Switch. Switch. You got this. Come on. 20 seconds left. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, okay. Let's go. Up. Keep going. Oh, goodness me. Now we got a star crunch. This one is gonna be intense on the abs, but we got it. So for the star crunch, you're basically gonna go out like a star and bring it all in. Out, in, just like that. And ready? Let's do it. In, extend. Oh my God, it already feels so hard. What the heck? Let's go. In, out. Ooh. Oof. Come back down. Woo. Okay. Stay with me here. Now we got bicycle crunches. You're gonna make these fast and speedy, okay? Opposite elbow to opposite knee. So go quick here. This is cardio after all. Ready? Let's go. Twist, 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 come on. Keep going. Keep the speed up. We're almost at the end. "15 seconds left. Actually, 10 seconds. Okay. Now we're gonna get up for the very last exercise. We've got twist jumps to just finish strong on a cardio note. For the twist jumps, hands are here, and you're just twisting like this, jumping in place. Just go to the music, really feel the music, you know, so just dance, feel yourself, use this time as a celebration of your body and the completion of this workout. Let's go, twist, twist, come on. Twist, 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 come on. Woo. Woo. You already made it this far, you might as well finish strong. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and come down. Oh my goodness. Amazing, amazing work. So happy you joined me for this abs cardio routine today. If you're enjoying it, let me know down in the comments below so I can make more workouts just like this for you, and tag me on socials working out with me. I love to see it. And as you all know, abs are made in the kitchen. So my 14-day meal plan is available over on my app, so you can eat right and get that body tight for summer. Ooh, you heard that? Eat right, get the body tight. Love it. Thank you all so much again, and I'll see you next time.